I just turned it off.
What off?
That Hey Siri.
You did?
Yeah, because it just keeps coming on and on and on. You'll be talking and then it just comes on and I can't hear it. Cuts you out, so stupid thing. Talk to me again.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
She's just lonely. She wants somebody to talk
I guess.
to.
And I don't even say anything that sounds like Siri. I could say rainbow and it comes on. So I was like, this is a pain in the butt on this bike. So I just turned it off.
It might be connected to the bike. Trying to.
Well, the Siri, I had it hooked up to this new Senna, and it's just a pain in the ass. So I just shut it off.
Oh, okay.
So don't ever try to do that. It's terrible.
I don't even try to talk to her that much.
Me neither, but she answers shit when I don't even want her.
Well, you enjoying your ride so far?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
That's so much better.
Okay.
I can't even hear the wind noise now. That's so much better.
Well, I put the helmet down and I tried to push that mic back up, but I must not have got it up high enough.
Yeah. It was terrible.
Uh, you're gonna have a little one noise.
No, you should have heard this. I couldn't even hear you. The wind noise was so bad, and you sound like you're like 3 miles away. I was like, this is awful.
Well, if you don't say something to me, I don't know.
Well, I do tell you.
I know you did. We need to stop at Rural King on the way home, see if they got turkeys.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take him home on the bike.
Oh,
Just take your time turning. That's okay.
yeah. She doesn't want to flip it over.
Too much power.
Yeah. It's like your mom with the side by side and
Yeah.
the golf cart. You can't go real fast in the golf cart either. gonna hit the air horn up here.
Hit what?
I'm gonna hit the air horn.
No, why?
Nobody's there.
Nope. Their bike's there. They're not open on Sunday, are they?
No. They might all be up here today. Is that you or me?
What?
Battery low.
Not me.